Topic of this video is compound subjects and compound predicates. So continuing with what we've learned about subjects and predicates, we're going to learn what compound subjects and predicates are. It's really quite simple. Just as a quick review, subjects are always the noun, tells what the sentence is about. Predicates are always a verb, tells something about the subject or what the subject is doing. We also have simple subjects and simple predicates, compound subjects and compound predicates. Simple just means one word. Complete means all or a group of words. And an easy way to remember that is a birthday party. If you're having a birthday party and your mom says, you know what, we're just going to keep it really simple this year, just invite one friend, that's simple. And complete is invite all your friends, right? We're having a big bash, everyone's coming over, it's going to be complete madness. Complete, right? Simple and complete, that's an easy way to try to keep track of that. But then there are compound subjects and predicates. And all that really means when we say compound is that there are two or more subjects or two or more predicates in a sentence. Pretty easy. Let's take a look at an example and see if we can figure out what the compound subjects are. Remember, a complete sentence has to have both a subject and a predicate. If it's missing either one of those, then it's not a complete sentence, it would be a fragment. In this sentence, Rome and Florence are cities in Italy. We actually have two subjects and one predicate. And the predicate is the verb in the sentence, and the verb in this sentence is are. So I'm going to underline that twice, and that's our simple predicate. Next, we have to find the compound subjects. Remember, compound just means that there's two or more subjects in the sentence. In this case, what are cities in Italy? Right, Rome and Florence. So those are our compound subjects. Good. Let's try another one. Alright, let's try another one. This sentence reads, Martin and Brendan play hockey. So same as always, I think the best place to start is to find the verb in the sentence. In this case, the verb is play. Very good, and that happens to be an action verb, so that's kind of easy. Question is, who plays or who plays hockey? Right, Martin, Brendan. So not only do we have a simple predicate, but we actually have two subjects in this sentence, and they are Martin and Brendan. Remember, compound just means two or more. So if you had that, you're doing great. Awesome. Now remember, there'll be instances when we may have a sentence that contains compound predicates. Again, compound predicates just means there's two or more predicates in the sentence. So let's take a look at this one. The boys pass the puck and score goals. Again, the first thing you want to do is find the verb in the sentence. So when I do that, the first verb I see, hopefully you saw the same one, is pass. So I'm going to underline pass because that's an action verb, and that's one of our predicates. All right, but the boys do more than just pass the puck. They also, right, score goals. So that's another predicate. So here's an example where we have two predicates in a sentence. All right, what's this simple subject? Hopefully you've already spotted that. Who passes and who scores? Right, the boys do. So that's our simple subject. Now, from time to time, you may see a sentence that has both compound subjects and compound predicates. Again, just a reminder that compound just means two or more. So let's take a look at this sentence. Martin and Brendan wash the dishes and scrub the pots. They're a big help to their mom around the house sometimes. Usually you have to ask about 5 times, but at least we get them to do something once in a while. So Martin and Brendan wash the dishes and scrub the pots. Same as we always do, we want to find the verb in this sentence. And the first verb I see when I read the sentence is wash. But there's another verb in this sentence. Right? Besides washing, Martin and Brendan also scrub. Very good. So these are both predicates in our sentence. And who washes and who scrubs? Right, Martin and Brendan. So we actually have two subjects and two predicates in this sentence. And you'll see that sometimes. Again, it's very simple. Once we know what subjects are, we know what predicates are, then it's easy to spot if there's more than one. In this case, there's two subjects and two predicates. Remember, the subject is always a noun, the predicate is always a verb. Subject will tell what the sentence is about. The sentence is about Martin and Brendan. And the predicate will tell what the subjects are doing or something about the subject. In this case, what Martin and Brendan are doing is washing and scrubbing. All right, we're very happy about that. Thank you. And finally is a review of what we've learned so far. Because we know subjects and predicates, all we've learned in this lesson is what compound subjects means or what compound predicates mean. That's pretty simple. Compound subjects or compound predicates means just that there may be two or more in the sentence. So compound just means that there may be two subjects in the sentence or more, or there may be two or more predicates in the sentence. So we just need to watch for that if we're being asked to underline or identify subjects and predicates in a sentence, that some sentences may have more than one subject, may have more than one predicate. So hopefully everyone's done a nice job learning from this, and we'll see everyone next time.